Hello, mathematicians. Today we're going to talk more about some geometric figures and look at their cross sections. To start us off, let's go over what a few of these figures are going to be. First, we have prisms, and we have two types of prisms. The first is a rectangular prism, or what we would think of as a box. It has a rectangle as the base. Okay, so it has a rectangular base, thus it is a rectangular prism. A triangular prism then has a triangular base. Okay, so those are prisms. Next we have pyramids, and pyramids come to a point at the top. Again, we have two different types. The first one, the shape of the base is a what? Rectangle. So this is a rectangular pyramid. And this one, what is the shape of the base? A triangle, so this is a triangular pyramid. So the difference is pyramids come to a point at the top, prisms do not. The base determines what type of pyramid it is. Next we have a cone. What is the shape of the base of a cone? Circular. And our last one is a cylinder or a soup can. And again, the base of a cylinder, circular, top and bottom circular. So those are some geometric figures. Next we have to discuss some of the vocabulary terms that go with these figures. First is an edge. An edge are these line segments on the edges of the figure. Okay? So this one has quite a few edges. It has one edge here, another edge here. Okay, so all these sides, and I can go down, those are all different edges. So this figure has quite a few edges. Vertex are these corner points. Okay? So all the corners are what we call vertexes. So you can see there are lots of different vertexes as well. A face is all the sides. Okay? So every side of the figure is a face. So there are 6 different sides here. Okay? All 4 sides, the top and the bottom. The base then, for a rectangular figure, you need 2 of them. Okay? 2 opposite sides are the bases. So if I was talking about the base, I would do this side, and then its match would be this side here. I could also choose the front and the back as bases. Or what else could I choose? The top and the bottom. So that's for the base. Now the faces are all of them. The base I only need 2. And they have to be opposite. Triangular, on the other hand, only needs 1. Okay? Just pick one of the triangles of the figure to be the base. So the face is all of them, all sides. The base then are 2 opposite sides for rectangular or 1 triangular side. Let's try some of these naming. So looking at this figure, we're going to name these 5 pieces. First of all, is this a pyramid or a prism? It comes to a point, so it is a pyramid. And what is the shape of the base? So this is a triangular pyramid. For the base, we're going to name one of the triangles. Doesn't matter which triangle you pick. I'm going to go with the bottom. And you have to use all 3 corners when you name it, and the order doesn't matter. So I'll start here. J, M, L. That is one of the bases. There are 3 other bases you could put. This side, the back side, or the front triangle here. The faces, then, we have to list all of them. There are 4. So again, I have the bottom one, JML, that we just did. What's another side of this figure? JKM, right here. Can you name another one? KML. And again, the order of the letters does not matter, so that one right there. KML. So if you went LMK or LKMLK, any 3 letters of those mixed does not matter. There's one more. Look at the front one. What would the front triangle be? JKL. So make sure you get all of those. The edges are all of our line segments, so they're only going to have 2 letters. So name one line segment. We'll start here. J to K. Is there another one that has J? J to M. Okay. What about K? What other one can we do with K? K to M. And another one with K? K to L. And there is one more line segment. J to L. The vertices then are all the corner points. So this is J is a vertice, K, M, and L. Vertices are those points. Try this next one on your own. Let's see how you did. What type of figure was this? It was rectangular. Is this a pyramid or a prism? It doesn't come to a point, so this is a prism. The bases, you just need to name 2 of them, so there could be a couple different options. If I went with the top, what would this one be called? And the letters don't matter, the order. B, G, F, C. And you should go actually around it no matter where you start. And what's the match for this one? The bottom. And wherever you start doesn't matter. So A, H, E, D. So that's if you did the top and bottom. You also could have done the front and back together, or which other one? The side and side. The faces, there are 6 faces. So I have 2 of them already listed. So B, G, F. Oh, this is C, my bad. Whoops, sorry. A, H, E, D. So I have the top and bottom. Name me another one. If it's the front, what's the front called? A, B, C, D. The back? G, F, E, H. Okay. The side? B, G, H, A. And we have one more side. C, F, E, D. Whew, make sure you get all of those. The edges now. Remember, edges are a line segment, so there's only 2. I'm going to bring this down here. B, then what? G. I could also go B, C. All right, I'm going to finish the top, G, F, and the other side, F, C. Let's do our ones coming down. There's 4 coming down. B, A. It's the other one coming down in the back. G, H, this side, F, E, and this corner, C, D. And lastly, the bottom, A, H, another one, H, E, D, E, and A, D. Lots of edges. Vertices then are easy. They're the points. Point B, G, F, C, H, A, D, and E. So name all those different pieces. The last little bit here are cross sections. Cross sections are if you were to slide a piece of paper through the figure, what would the shape resulting in? So on this one here, we have a piece of paper sliding through a cylinder. So you can see right here is where that piece of paper intersects. Okay. What is that resulting shape going to be? A circle. So if a piece of paper were to slide through the figure, what shape would it make? This one here, we have a piece of paper going through a triangular pyramid. And you can see the figure right here that it is making. What is the name of this figure right here? A trapezoid. So if you were to slide a piece of paper through the figure, what shape would result? Nice job today, mathematicians.